Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream dragon fruit only way. Start by preparing 1 pound of dragon fruit, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and a half cup of sugar. Puree the fruit smooth, then whisk the cream and milk with sugar until combined. Chill the base before churning to improve texture and taste for sweetness adjustments as needed. Blend warm technique with chill timing for the perfect base. First, puree the dragon fruit with a little lemon to brighten flavor and preserve color. Warm the cream and milk just enough to dissolve sugar, then cool to refrigerator temperature before stirring in the puree. Strain if desired for extra smoothness, then chill the combined mixture thoroughly so the churned ice cream freezes with a creamy, dense mouthfeel rather than icy crystals. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs nicely with kitchen planning or budget-friendly ingredient swaps, and it made me chuckle while freezing my first batch. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Churning is where the magic happens, balancing air and creaminess for scoopable results. Pour the chilled base into your ice cream maker and churn until it reaches soft serve consistency. Timing varies by machine. Pack the soft ice cream into a shallow, airtight container to cool quickly and freeze evenly. For best texture, freeze for at least 4 hours and let sit a few minutes at room temperature before scooping to soften slightly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.